Hi, my name is Gareth Mason. Adrian Jennings and I are going to display for you today the TP18SX and really the sister product, the TP18DX box extractor. In use, this machine, you would fill it in the front here. It's got a little cover for your water tank. And once full, you're really very close to being ready to clean. In the back, what they call the business end of the machine, you're going to find this is where most of the controls are. Your drain hose is here for your recovery tank, and then you'll notice this interesting little set of sort of metal box and chemical jug here. This is set up for what we consider to be a key component in carpet cleaning, which is pre-spraying. We feel at NaceCare that it's critical that you pre-spray your carpet ahead of time, the same way you would apply stripper on the hard floor and give it dwell time. In order to do that, we use our Smart Kit, which is an optional accessory you can purchase with either the box extractors or our walk-behind extractors. In order to use this item, what you do is you hook your jug in. It's got a DEMA tip right inside, and every jug you would get would have a brand new tip system that dispenses at 8 ounces per gallon, so no one has to worry about mixing chemical any longer with this system. The jug just sits right in here, and then we just hook back up and draw the chemical straight from there and use our pump to spray it down. So what you do is you select either high, or that's low pressure, or high pressure. Generally I'd select high pressure for most pre-spraying applications, and then you turn the chemical valve on. So now we're at a point where we're ready to pre-spray, and I'll use Adrian to get us to help us do that now, and we'll show you how to go about that function. Adrian?
Okay, so the pre-spray system, well, first of all we want to turn on the pump and make sure we've opened up the chemical valve and put it into high pressure. We do the pre-spray through this pressure washer gun. You know, it is really what it is, and we can change the angle, but basically we want to do the pre-spray very quickly and just really flow it on. If there's a spot on the floor, we can get into the spot of the stain and then zero out it again and then get into the spray pattern. You can do up to about 14,000 square feet per hour. With this chemical, it doesn't really matter if the chemical dries out, because 14,000 feet is a lot. And once you hit it again with the wand, it will reactivate the chemical again. And the next step is...
Show us that adjustment again, Adrian, just
okay.
So
the adjustment is... And you want to get into a fairly wide spray. If you're doing along a wall, you want to tighten it up a bit so you don't splash on the wall, and you can do up to confined areas along walls, etc.
So at this point, we've got our pre-spray applied to the carpet. We've got it at 8 ounces per gallon, which is the correct and exact dilution that we're after, and really no errors can be made. And we've applied it at approximately 5 times the speed of a pump sprayer. So now we're all set to clean.
So now I just want to turn off the chemical, grab the wand, and proceed.
You just turn your vacuum on for you.
I have the wand open now. Now I'm going back over to get dry. It's open now. Now I'm going over to dry.
NaceCare, we refer to this as 2x4 cleaning, basically cleaning sections that are 2 feet deep, about 4 feet wide. Apply down and then pick up as Adrian showed you. At that point, you're complete your section. You just keep pre-spraying and moving on, getting the kind of productivity that you need. Thank you.